Introducing the Giraffe Tools Hose Reel, a half 78 feet, a heavy-duty solution for your garden watering needs. There are many products available to choose garden hose reel, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garden hose reel from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Giraffe Retractable Garden Hose Reel 5/8 x 90 feet Pro Metal Bracket. Introducing the Giraffe Retractable Garden Hose Reel with a sturdy metal bracket, the ultimate solution for effortless garden maintenance. This premium hose reel from Giraffe Tools, equipped with a 90 feet and 5/8 inch hybrid hose, allows you to cover every corner of your garden with ease. Its innovative any-length lock feature ensures convenience and flexibility, while the durable metal bracket provides stability and longevity. Designed with a stable auto-rewind system, simply give the hose a gentle tug, and watch it retract neatly without any kinking or tangling. The high-grade garden hose, featuring all-weather flexibility and abrasion resistance, guarantees leak-resistant performance and long-lasting durability. Assembly is a breeze with the 180-degree rotation bracket, allowing for quick installation on walls or posts. The large-size handle offers easy grip and maneuverability, while the 9 adjustable spray modes cater to various watering needs. With a 2-year limited warranty and lifetime customer support, Giraffe Tools ensures professional assistance and satisfaction. Make watering hassle-free with the Giraffe Retractable Garden Hose Reel. Number 2. Giraffe Tools Hose Reel, a half 78 feet. Introducing the Giraffe Tools Hose Reel, a half 78 feet, a heavy-duty solution for your garden watering needs. Crafted by Giraffe Tools, renowned for quality, this hose reel boasts durability and convenience. Its pre-installed 78 feet hybrid hose offers flexibility, locking at any desired length to cover every corner of your garden effortlessly. Featuring a stable auto-rewind system, simply give the hose a gentle tug, and it effortlessly retracts, neatly rolling up without kinks or tangles, thanks to the unique retractable and guidance system. Constructed with high-grade polypropylene in a sleek dark gray finish, this hose reel ensures longevity and resistance to abrasions. Assembly is a breeze with the 180-degree rotation bracket for wall mounting, and disassembly is just as easy with the quick-release system for storage convenience. Backed by a 24-month warranty, Giraffe Tools promises professional solutions and lifetime-friendly customer support. Elevate your gardening experience with the Giraffe Tools Hose Reel, where durability meets innovation. Number 3. Giraffe Tools 130 FT Retractable Garden Hose Reel. Introducing the Giraffe Tools 130 FT Retractable Garden Hose Reel, a heavy-duty solution for effortless watering and garden maintenance. Engineered with convenience and durability in mind, this wall-mounted hose reel comes pre-installed with a 125 plus 5 feet hybrid hose, allowing you to lock it at any desired length for comprehensive coverage of your garden. The innovative auto-rewind system ensures a hassle-free experience by neatly retracting the hose with a gentle tug, eliminating kinks and messy tangles. Crafted for longevity, the hose reel features a sturdy polypropylene casing that withstands sun and rain exposure without deforming or fading. With its detachable 5 feet leader hose and 180 degrees swivel bracket, customization and maneuverability are effortless. Choose from 9 adjustable spray modes with the included nozzle to cater to various watering needs. Easy assembly and disassembly make setup a breeze, while the 24-month warranty ensures peace of mind. Upgrade your garden maintenance routine with the Giraffe Tools 130 FT Retractable Garden Hose Reel, and enjoy efficient watering year-round. Number 4. Giraffe Tools AW405/8 Retractable Hose Reel 5/8 x 90 feet. Introducing the Giraffe Tools AW405/8 Retractable Hose Reel, your ultimate garden companion for hassle-free watering and maintenance. Crafted with durability and functionality in mind, this wall-mounted hose reel boasts a robust construction of heavy-duty polypropylene in a sleek dark gray finish. Featuring a 5/8 x 90 feet high-grade hybrid hose, it offers unparalleled flexibility and resistance to abrasion, ensuring leak-free performance even under high pressure. The innovative any-length lock system allows you to adjust the hose to your desired length, covering every corner of your garden effortlessly. Equipped with a stable auto-rewind mechanism, simply give the hose a gentle tug, and watch it retract smoothly without kinking or tangling. With 9 adjustable spray modes and the 180-degree swivel design, achieving precise watering is a breeze. Installation is a snap with the included mounting bracket and screws, while the quick-release system allows for easy reel removal and storage. Backed by Giraffe's commitment to quality, enjoy peace of mind with a 24-month warranty and lifetime customer support. Upgrade your gardening experience with the Giraffe Tools AW405/8 Retractable Hose Reel today. Number 5. Blueberry 5/8 X 100 plus 6.7 feet retractable garden hose reel. Introducing the Blueberry 5/8 X 100 plus 6.7 feet retractable garden hose reel, a heavy-duty solution for effortless watering tasks. Crafted for durability, this hose reel boasts a robust construction weighing 39.3 lb, ensuring longevity and stability. Its 5/8 hose with a 0.728-inch outer diameter and 0.532-inch inner diameter delivers optimal water flow for various gardening needs. Equipped with a convenient lock at any length feature, the hose locks securely in place when extended and retracts smoothly with a gentle tug. The wide handle, designed with user comfort in mind, provides a firm grip without causing strain on the palm. Installation is made easy with its wall-mounted design and 180-degree swivel bracket, offering flexibility and space-saving benefits. Additionally, the Blueberry hose reel comes with a 12. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more